everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to talk about different pathways of glucose breakdown. Under this segment we are going to understand that what happened to the glucose when there is proper or full availability of oxygen, when there is no oxygen, or for a shorter duration the oxygen is not available to cells. In all these three conditions we'll see. ठीक है. So before understanding this topic, we'll understand the term glycolysis. This is breakdown of glucose into two molecules of pyruvate or pyruvic acid. Okay, this is the first step of respiration. Either it is a aerobic type of respiration, either it is a anaerobic type of respiration. This glycolysis is common in both. It means this step can occur in presence of oxygen also, and it can occur in the absence of oxygen also. Got it? So this is the first step of respiration. Glycolysis. Glucose molecule, and this is going to take place in the cytoplasm. In cytoplasm of cell. ठीक है? ऑक्सीजन हो चाहे ना हो, ठीक है, एब्सेंस ऑफ O2 में भी हो सकती है, ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में भी हो सकती है, एंड दिस रिजल्ट्स इनटू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ two molecule of pyruvate. Got it? So this is termed as glycolysis. This glucose is 6 carbon containing molecule and this is 3 carbon. Okay, that's why 2 molecule. This process is termed as glycolysis. ठीक है, ग्लूकोज का ब्रेकडाउन. And where it is going to take place? In the cytoplasm, and this is common in both the types of respiration. So when this molecule is going to broken down into pyruvate, this will help in releasing energy. Okay, glycolysis में energy release होगी, 2 molecule of ATP are produced. Got it? Fine. So we'll see the same in detail. So we'll see all three conditions: in the presence, in the absence, and in the lack of oxygen. So this is the glucose. ठीक है जी. And this glucose is present in the cell in cytoplasm. And as I told you, ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस हो या एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो, इन बोथ द केसेस ग्लूकोज विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द, किसमें कन्वर्ट हो रहा है ये? पायरुवेट और पायरुविक एसिड. प्लस एनर्जी भी मिलेगी हम लोगों को यहाँ से. ठीक है जी. नाउ व्हाट इज द फेट ऑफ दिस पायरुवेट? व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन विद दिस पायरुवेट? This pyruvate have 3 pathways. It means it can enter into the mitochondria, it can remain into the cytoplasm, it can form CO2 plus water completely, it can form lactic acid or alcohol. So we'll see all. If the pyruvate enter into the cytoplasm, okay, this is going to take place in the cytoplasm in the yeast cell and absence of O2. Absence of O2. It means anaerobic type of respiration. So over here what is going to be produced? यहाँ पर जो बनने वाला है that is इथेनॉल एल्कोहल बताया था आप लोगों को प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस एनर्जी विल बी रिलीज्ड इन दिस. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस, ये तो था एनएरोबिक, कंप्लीटली एब्सेंस है यहाँ पे O2 की. इन द नेक्स्ट केस वेयर देयर इज लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है. इन दिस केस लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, लैक ऑफ O2, कुछ देर के लिए ऑक्सीजन नहीं है. ठीक है. दिस इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस इन द मसल सेल्स ऑफ ह्यूमन. And what it is going to form? Lactic acid, ठीक है, plus energy. And when the oxygen will available again, then this lactic acid will undergo the complete breakdown to produce CO2 and water. And this is toxic to the cells. If it will keep on forming in the muscle cells, that results into the muscle cramping. Okay, the pain in the muscles. This is because of the anaerobic respiration in the muscle, and that is mainly occur during the heavy exercises. At that time there is less availability of the oxygen in the cells. So at that time our muscle cells respire anaerobically to produce lactic acid. Clear? And the third, which we have already discussed, in the presence of O2 in the mitochondria of the cell. ठीक है, इसको हम क्रैब साइकिल भी बोलते हैं, जो थर्ड वाला है हमारा. And what it is going to form? Carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Got it? So these are the three pathways. Yeast cell completely respire anaerobically. लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन जब होगा मसल सेल्स में, ये भी एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन है. एंड द थर्ड इज एरोबिक टाइप ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन वेयर ऑक्सीजन इज कंप्लीटली अवेलेबल, टेक प्लेस इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिजम्स दे रेस्पायर विद दिस पाथवे. ओके, दिस इज द पाथवे टू गेट एनर्जी. फाइन. सो दीज टू आर कमिंग अंडर द anaerobic pathway, and we have already discussed the differences between these two. Thank you.